Lots of fun the other night. You and the kids, I love it. Good job. I never get a chance to tell you, but you make me proud. Good job. Thank you. Good work. Good work. I really enjoy it. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. So the hinge that was fucked up here, I got it all fixed. See, this was bent. I drilled this one out. I fixed this. This was bent that way.
That's where the door hangs?
The door, but the hinge, this hinge. See, this one's got a little bit of play.
Yeah.
The other one had a ton of play. So today, I already had it in there, the hinge. I took it back out this morning, and this one I was working on today. I pulled the hinge apart, and I need new pins. So I need you to look up a pin. We need a pin. One pin for the hinge.
Can I get that at a
No, I think you need
parts
to.
store?
No. No. You need to see if they have one pin. I might have one. I have one for the other
I'll
truck,
find it.
for the Chevy. A lot of these parts are similar.